Hey, what's up, everybody out there in TV land? This is Kevin Leroy with another Vet Tooth Tech moment. Today is the second day of February, and that marks for us veterinary professionals Dental Month. Dental Month is a funny thing. Let's talk about that. In humans, it started back in 1949. It was a day for Children's Dental Month, I guess they started it as, and this was to raise awareness for oral health for kids. Back in 1949, I guess it was more prevalent and needed back then. This graduated over the years to Dental Week, Dental Month, and now I would hope that we all focus on our children's oral health all the time. For us veterinary professionals, sometimes this changed for us in the early 2000s. Veterinary practice consultants began advising their veterinarians that they can increase their dental compliance and keep busy during the slowest month of the year. So they offer discounts and those types of things to get you in the door to get your dog's teeth cleaned. So the concept of National Dental Pet Health Month, or Pet Dental Health Month, was born. So in a nutshell, this has been an area of neglect for quite some time. When we think about oral health and inflammation that it contributes to, once a week or a month is really not enough to manage that type of disease, especially if anybody out there has had periodontal disease yourself. You know the way that your dentist treated you after they knew that you had periodontal disease. You went much more frequently, you brushed differently, everything changed. So when it comes to us, it comes down to daily plaque and the accumulation. It starts to affect the tissues nearby, especially in smaller breeds. So if you have a tiny little dog out there, this is more of a concern for them. At Florida Wild, here every month is Dental Month. We have enough patients here to keep us busy around the clock, 365 days a year. We also encourage preventative dentistry with discount incentives, like through our website, you can get a $50 off thing. There's many things available that we are offering the same type of benefit that you would find anywhere else all year round. So we're not going to focus on any other discounts for Dental Month because we feel that we do this all the time. We're going to focus on periodontal disease education this month. More than usual this month because we always do, but I'm going to start sharing, or would like to share, some of the prettiest teeth that we see and some of the ugliest teeth that we see, obviously with owner's permission. We find that this focus needs to be daily no matter what, and hopefully that will knock it down or knock it into your heads at home. Any small breed pet, 10 pounds or under, in that ballpark, they should have a professional, or should have had a professional under anesthesia cleaning by your veterinarian by the time they're 1 year old. Bigger pets, big knuckleheads like my guy, he's about 110 pounds. He could wait till about 2 years of age. And the big thing is that he's got spacing in between his teeth. He's more active with his mouth. He's not hand-fed chicken and rides in a purse. Those things do play a big role on plaque removal regularly. So obviously, we like to make sure we're managing them through their pediatric state when they're pups, to make sure things are up normally and things aren't hitting another tooth. And if we manage that pediatric time well, then adult time should be preventative as long as we're seeing them at that frequency. These visits should happen annually, regardless of the level of disease presented in our naked eye exam, because over 68% of the disease that we can find and treat or diagnose can only be done with radiographs. So we have to radiograph the entire tooth and the surrounding area sometimes before we can see things that are necessary for us to treat. So us being under our just cleaning is not doing them enough service either. Brushing your pet should happen every single day. Just like yourself, you brush in the morning, you can feel sediment on your teeth by mid-afternoon. Those fuzzy slippers, that's plaque. That nasty feeling is the biofilm accumulation from yesterday's or this morning's meal or coffee. So if we leave that there, we're going to have the evening's accumulation and then the next morning's accumulation. That's what our pets do. So when your dog comes up to give you a kiss and he has really wretched breath, puppy breath or yucky dog breath is a wives' tale. It should smell like roses at all times. So that being said, flip the lips, look in your dog's mouth. If you see plaque, tartar, red, green, any other colors other than pink and white, chances are that you've been off that schedule a little bit. If you're not a client of Florida Wilds, then maybe is a good time to take advantage of some of your own practices or veterinarians incentives for Dental Month, because it's only going to get worse. hopefully we'll have some really cool stuff to share with you this week. Any comments or questions about periodontal disease, things that you're finding on your dogs, or anything that may arise, please give a like. And then we've been getting a really good response and a lot of people watching our videos, which is really cool. But we're forgetting to hit that share. So do me a favor, please hit the share and hit the subscribe button if you're on YouTube. That'd be great too. Have a fabulous day. Wags, smiles. Dental month.